I can swim. I can dance.
Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to make an aluminum foil door. Yay! Are you ready? Great, let's go!
You should prepare a piece of paper, aluminum foil, scissors, colored pencils, and felty pens. First, cut the aluminum foil into paper pieces. Draw 4 lines horizontally for making arms and 1 line vertically for making legs. Cut 5 lines with scissors. Crumple each part of the aluminum foil with your hands to make a shape of doll. Draw a swimming pool on the paper as the background. Bend the doll's arms and legs and make it like a swimming figure. Color the swimming cap with felty pen. I can swim. You can add an additional aluminum foil to make a dress for the doll. Make a doll in a dancing position. I can dance.
Okay everyone, was it fun today? I hope so. Then see you next time. Bye bye.